Hello everybody, this is the third class for Chapter 1. In this class, I will lead you to learn the components of the Ruff development platform. In the development process of Ruff, you always have to deal with this part. After you become familiar with the interactive relations between the roles of all its components, it is easy for you to carry out the subsequent development. First of all, let's have a look at Ruff OS. It is actually an operating system running on the hardware platform, and it is a software running on the definitive hardware. So different platforms actually correspond to one software package of different operating systems. Their internal implementation is not the same, but they provide a unified interface for the external. You can find the software packages of different platforms we have released on the download page of the official website. The second is Ruff SDK. It is not the same as OS, because OS is actually running on specific hardware. SDK is actually running on your development machine and is a development package on your PC. Then in this development package, there are tools. Modules are used and the corresponding documents. Well, the most important thing in Ruff SDK is Wrap. Wrap is actually an auxiliary tool which assists developers in development. For example, some management items manage some of the hardware and manage some of the corresponding software packages. We can also see on this download page, our present Ruff SDK supports 3 types of common operating systems: Mac, Windows, and Linux. And there are many installation methods on each platform. The last one is Ruff Registry. It is a software repository of Ruff. If any audience has heard about mod, we may analogize it to a warehouse of NPM. In this warehouse, you may download your desired modules, or log into the warehouse and view some of its corresponding documents. Besides, you may use the Ruff tools to publish some modules you have developed. And as to Ruff Registry, its website is ruff.ruff.io. Here you can view some modules and their corresponding documents contained in the current entire warehouse. Finally, a picture describes the relationships between the 3 Ruff registry. In fact, can be regarded as a cloud, and Ruff SDK is operating on our development machine. When we are conducting project development, we need to create a new project, and then download some necessary modules from the cloud. As for how to use, how to write, the business logic in the entire application, we need to log into the website to view the relevant APIs. After we have completed entire project development, we may also use some subcommands of Ruff to deploy apps onto this development board and let it execute them. And throughout the operation, we may also use some subcommands of Ruff to acquire some logs of the development board. Sure, it's also possible to acquire some system information of the development board. Alright, so that's all for this lesson. So please look forward to our upcoming classes on Ruff. Thank you very much.
Ruff, make IoT easier.